So we're going into Nordstrom right now and we're gonna go shopping for the anniversary sale. Yay! Look how cute these boots are. I like those leopard boots, right? Aren't they adorable?
Yeah. It lights up. Mommy, it lights up.
What about this sweatshirt, Kamala?
Mommy, look.
Show me again. Ooh. These Sperry sneakers are on sale for $49.90, regular $85. I absolutely love them and I definitely want this color. So pretty. These soft sandals are super comfortable and I absolutely love this color. It's like a caramel and they're on sale for $69.90, regular $109.95. Such a great deal. These sneaker slides are so cute and super comfortable. Wow, these boots are super cute in person. I really love them. Oh my gosh, they're on sale for $59.90, regular $100, and they're super lightweight. These Steve Madden Mules are so stinking cute at $59.90. Oh, I want all of them. Here are these beautiful Tory Burch boots. Oh, they're so pretty. I love these Chelsea look, and I love the logo on the back. And super cute slides. Oh, I want both of them. So stinking cute. And here are the sandals. I'm totally in love. $139 in these great colors. This aged Carmelo is so gorgeous. Here are the suede Chelsea boots from Tory Burch. So stinking cute. These Steve Madden Chelsea sock boots are so pretty in person. I'm dying for this color. $79.90. Such a great deal. These Converse are waterproof. How cute are they? These leather platform Chuck Taylors are so stinking cute. I'm dying to get them with the gold rivets. This cut from the cloth moto jacket is so stinking cute and super, super soft. I love the material. These are my favorite underwear. They're so soft. They're from Natori. You have to check them out. These shapewear underwear from Spanx are amazing and I absolutely love them.
See how soft it is.
It's super soft? Ooh, it's so soft. This Breast of Both Worlds reversible wireless bra from Spanx is one of my favorites. It's so awesome. How funny is this label here too? Oh my gosh, so funny. This Natori Bra is like calling my name. How cute is it? Doesn't it feel like leather?
Yeah, it feels like. Look how cute they are and look how soft they are.
So soft. You want? Yes, we can. I just want to feel this. So soft. Feel how soft.
Give me it.
You're taking it?
I'm taking it home.
Okay. This Vince Camuto top is on sale for $38.90. After the sale, it'll be $59. It comes in a ton of different colors and also in long sleeves. These AG jeans are on sale for $149.90. They're super comfortable. They're called the ex-boyfriend slim jeans. Size up in them, but I'm totally in love. CeCe has amazing tops and I'm totally in love with this ruffle cuff crepe top. I just absolutely love their tops all the time. This one comes in black and also pink. It's a great deal at $45.90, regular $69. Next up is this amazing Free People dress. It's a wrap maxi dress that's perfect for petite women because it skims just the edge of my foot. Perfect size, perfect length. I'm wearing a size large here and I would definitely grab an extra large if you can. I'm a 12-14, so it does run true to size. I just love this print. It's so beautiful. This Spanx bodysuit is so much fun. It's called Suit Yourself V-neck tank bodysuit. I love how slimming it is. It's super flattering on and I'm definitely getting it at $44.90, regular $68. When I got home, I immediately put on my new slippers. It's like the best purchase ever. Totally in love with them. They are $29.90, regular $49.95. Thank you guys so much for watching. Watch my preview video here.